Okay guys, let's continue the operation. We're gonna go ahead and pull a couple bolts. It's nice when everything is the same, like all of these bolts, because I need to pull that one. I want to pull the whole box. So I'll probably need like a deeper socket, number 10. Let's see if this is it. Yeah. Also number 10 gear wrench here. So let's pull that one and let's see what's going on. Okay, so we replace this. Now we're gonna need like a flathead. Here's one, and oh, it's actually cracked over there. So okay, so now this is loose. So the next thing I need to do is go ahead and pull this electrical connector. So that's loose. Next thing, I'm gonna go ahead and that's not the correct size. I believe it's this one. Let's see. Yep, it is. Okay, that's good and done there. So could it be that this box has more than one mounting place? Because if it does, that's not going to be easy to remove. Air filter. Okay, time to observe the other one. Okay. Okay, this box, it's a little bit loose, not much loose. Let's take that one out. I don't know if the battery is not allowing me to see what's going on. I am really not sure what's holding this thing. Okay, here's the okay. I see it's actually mounted into something. I believe it's kind of like a slide in type of thing, but in order to pull it out, there's a lot of stuff that's in the way. Like this is going to be in the way, so this is not the way I'm gonna do things right now. Now, before we begin, guys, I do want to point out that, see, metal is very up close. I did pull it out halfway. This, I'm gonna push this back a little bit. One little reminder, guys, don't do this to your car. This is a spare car for me, and I just don't mind. There is some electrical connectors. I will have to get those loose, but it is coming out. I just got to get those connectors loose. We got to press some of these plastics together like that, and these pliers are actually really good for that. Like, the angle that I could work on these things is quite excellent. Okay, so that's done. Okay, now that goes to show there was a second one that's holding it down. Now, see, this one was broken due to an accident. This piece plugs into this rubber hose, and this piece is way at the bottom. So it is out of the way, but it is reachable. So if you're trying to remove your box, there it is right there. But this was pretty much broken, and I need to pull it out anyways, because when I'm going to be pulling things and, you know, adjusting, that's kind of like in my way, including it was actually not allowing this fuse panels to close. I do want to make sure. Let's see what's going on. I do want to make sure I replace the sensor. So we're gonna go ahead and stick the sensor back here, because I don't want to lose it. Interesting how it goes. You could install it either way, really, and it probably does make a difference. But I installed it the proper way, I know that. In the next clip, guys, I'm gonna show you where some of the fuses are on your 2010 Nissan Rogue. It's gonna be very similar to 2008. But before we do that, let's take this one for a test drive and see if we can start it up and if it's gonna be working. Yeah, not a good rattle. Definitely not friendly. Some shaking is there. Yeah, kind of crazy. See if any codes pop up. I really don't think this has done anything to solve the issue. This was really unnecessary. So we have multiple cylinders misfire, cylinder 1 misfire. So, and right now it's misfiring actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually delete those. So basically, guys, this problem is not solved. It is still existent. I don't know what it is currently, but I will have to hunt for it, and as soon as I understand what's going on, I'm gonna let you guys know. But thank you so much for watching. Watch the next video. I'm gonna show you guys where some of these fuses are. Okay, bye.